Okay, so your quiz is going to be broken up into two parts, with each question being worth 2 points. So for part one, what you're going to do is drag and drop the names of the category that goes with the words in that same colored category. All right, so I'll show you what I mean here. So on slide 2, you'll see something that looks very similar to the activity that we did in class. The only difference is that instead of moving the vocabulary terms, you're going to put the category names. So, for example, if I were to look at the yellow column, right, there are 2 words in here, mosques and Hajj. I know that a mosque is a religious place, right? It's a place where Muslim people go to pray and have religious services, right? And a Hajj is a pilgrimage that people who celebrate Islam take, meaning that they take a big journey all the way to Mecca at least once in their life. So if a mosque is a place of worship and a Hajj is a religious pilgrimage, I know that both of these things have to do with religious culture. So I'll drag religious culture right here. Okay, now your other 3 options that you need to pick from are great leaders, kingdoms and empires, and trade. Okay, so for great leaders, you're going to drag this into one of these spots, right? Based on whatever color you see has the most names in it, right? The great leaders category is going to have 2 names, meaning that they will be capitalized. Same with kingdoms and empires. It's going to have the names of places. Since those are also proper nouns, they will also be capitalized. All right, to help you with kingdoms and empires, think about the fact that we learned about 3 different West African kingdoms in class. Okay, we learned about 3 kingdoms in class. What were those 3 kingdoms called? And you'll drag this to whichever place you think that it should go. And lastly, you have trade. All right, what they mean by trade is what words have to do with people who buy and sell things that they have, right? Any valuable resources or things they have that are worth a lot. All right, same idea. You're going to drag this to wherever it is that you think it should go. All right, each color will have 1 category name. So 1 for green, 1 for pink, and 1 for blue. Let me know if you have any questions.